The SL Power Advanced Energy SLE33 PD Series 33-watt USB-C PD power supplies meet next-generation device charging and power requirements, with compact and efficient AC-DC adapters featuring both medical and information technology equipment approvals. The SLE33 PD Power Adapter Series offers U.S. Department of Energy Level 7 and European Code of Conduct V5 Tier 2 directive efficiency with reduced standby power consumption and improved energy performance. The adapters are available with a USB-C connector or integrated cable. They can operate from 80 to 264 volts AC, are offered with either fixed plugs or removable blades, and have UL, CE, and TUV certifications, supporting global deployments. The compact 33.5 by 48 by 90.5 mm power adapters also have less than 100 microamp leakage current and 2x MOPP input-to-output isolation for use in medical applications up to Class BF. To learn more, visit www.sigger.com.